Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create your own website with the help of Durable.co. So basically, Durable is a platform that can help you to create your own website with the help of AI. Here are some of the products that they offer, such as AI Website Builder, CRM, Invoicing, AI Assistant, and also AI Blog Builder. And here are the tools that they have. They have Website Generator, Business Name Generator, and also Google Ad Writer. Now, without any further ado, let's get started and create our website. To create our website, you can go ahead and click that Get Started button, and then Durable are going to ask about what type of business you are building. If you're not sure about what they means by the type of business you're building, as you can see down there, there are a button for some suggestion. You can go ahead and click that, and the AI are going to show you some type of businesses so that you could get an idea on what you should put into that what type of business you're building box. So you can see some of the example they produce are audio production, construction, power washing, landscaping, design, bike mechanics, and if you still would like to see some other examples, you can just go ahead and click on regenerate. And it's going to give you some more examples of the types of businesses. Since I already know what type of business I'm in, I'm just going to go ahead and click back. And as you can see, even if you just click on the text box, the AI are going to give you a selections of suggestions of types of businesses. So you can just scroll around and see some more suggestions. As for me, I'm just going to go ahead and type translation because that is the website theme that I would like to build. Next, we were going to have to input our location. So the AI has actually automatically tracked me, but if it's not your location at the moment or your base location, you can just go ahead and then type out where you actually live or where your business actually is. You can also change the language of the website you would like to generate. You can just choose on the language option as I showed you, and as you can see, it has selections of languages, but for now and for the tutorial's sake, I'm just going to go ahead and go with English. Next, you're going to have to insert the name of your business. Again, if this is your first time creating your business, you can go ahead and click on some suggestion, and the AI is going to give you some suggestions for the name of your business based on your business type. For example, my business was in translation, so it gives me names that has translations or languages aspects in it. Again, since I already have a name for my business, I'm going to go ahead and just type in my business name. And then we can click generate our website, and then the AI are going to generate the website for us. And here is the website, my website. I just time skip it for the sake of the tutorial. And as you can see, it has created not just the base, but also they gave me the writings, the pictures, everything that I need for a website. Now, these websites that they created are totally customizable, but before I make any changes, I would like to take you on a tour on what the AI has created for me. So as you can see, the first page of my website was just the title and the name of my business, and then on the second page right here is some sort of short explanations and also introduction of what my business is. On the third page, we've got the works or the services that I have done, not just in the forms of list, but it already gives me sections, pictures, and also against the wording to explain my work. On the next page, we can see that it gives me an About Us page. Basically, it's quite similar to the second page we have. It's some sort of explanation. And then this one shows the services that I offer for my clients. I noticed that on this page, somehow there are another language, probably because they read the location that I'm in, which is in Indonesia. So these are Bahasa, but I'm not going to worry too much because I can just change about it later. The next page shows some sort of testimonial, I believe. I think it's supposed to be a testimonial things from my client to make my websites more credible. And then this page shows how my clients can get in touch with me. And the last page is just some sort of contact, social media contact for my business. All right, now to edit our website, we actually would have to sign up. And as always, you can choose whether you want to sign up with Google or you can just continue and enter your email address on the box below alongside with your password. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign up for now. Now that I signed in, I can finally edit my website. So to edit your pages, you can just go ahead and click on the page you would like to edit and then click the edit button. As you can see, a menu are going to pop up on the right side of the screen. And with this menu, you can start and customize the wording. In case you don't like the wording they provide, you can just go ahead and click regenerate, or feel free to just insert the wording according to what you would like. As for me, for now, I'm just going to try to regenerate and find the wording that I felt are the best for my website. I'm pretty satisfied with the wording that I have right now, and I'm going to show you that the button that are right below the wordings, the Get Started button, are definitely customizable. You can choose whether you would like that button to link to some external website or you would like to link it to another page on your website. You can also change the name of the button by simply clicking on the label text box and then types out what would you like to rename your button. You can also change the style of your website by clicking on the style menu, and then as you can see, that menu is going to show you the color palette that are being used right now. So you can just go ahead and play around with it. You can choose whether your color should be solid or gradient, and then you can also choose from the selections of color that they provided. Or if you don't like the color theme that they provided, you can go ahead and customize your own. You can insert your own color code if you know them, or you could just go ahead and search it on Google or on Pinterest and then insert your color code into the custom line. You can also choose to regenerate whether it styles the content or the entire section. So if you click on the regenerating styles, it's going to change the styles of your page. If you click on the regenerate content, it's going to regenerate just the wording of the page you are trying to regenerate. Meanwhile, if you click on the regenerate entire section, it's going to change the background, the theme color, and also the wordings of the page that you are trying to regenerate. Another thing that you can customize is the page arrangement. If you would like to arrange your page, you can just go ahead and click on the pop-up menu and you can click on the upward arrow to bring your pages up, or you can click on the downward arrow to bring your pages down. You can also add or create more page or sections by clicking on the Add Sections button below each page. There are selections of sections that you can choose. You can take a look around and choose on which selection you would like to add for your new page. To insert your new page, you can just go ahead and click on what you would like to add. For example, I'm clicking an Add Banner page and it's regenerating that page for me. I prefer this one than the one upside, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this one as my new header. Now on the very top side of our website, we can see this icon and it means that it is the icon to edit your theme. I'm going to go ahead and take a look around. As you can see, it has several mood for the theme. For example, now we're on the cool mood theme. I'm going to explore and see which one suits my website the most. So I ended up choosing a dark mood theme, and here I'm showing you how you can change the pictures that the AI has created for you by simply clicking on the page where the pictures you would like to change is located, and then you can go ahead and change your pictures through there. To change the pictures, we can just go ahead and click regenerate. And now I'm going to change the label button that I showed you earlier, where it has another language, which is Indonesian language and not English. I can just go ahead and change that by typing on the label text box. Once we're satisfied with how our website looks like, we can go ahead and check how the websites are going to look if we see it through tablets or phone. We can just go ahead and click on the desktop icon on the very top menu of our website, and then you can choose whether you would like to look at your website through phone or through tablets by clicking on the options that are available over there. And you can scroll around and see if you're satisfied with how it looks. If you're not, you can just go ahead and customize it again through the website looks. Once you're done, you can go ahead and save your website. Now you can publish your website with a custom domain, but to do that, you will have to upgrade your account, and you cannot use free account to create a custom domain. And here I'm going to quickly show you the plans that they have. Here are the pricing. As you can see, they have a monthly billing and also yearly billings. You can go ahead and pause if you would like to see the difference between each prices. And that is how you can create your own website with Durable. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.